Are you really? Were you a locksmith in your other life?
Yeah, and a cabinet maker.
And a bricklayer.
A bricklayer and a boat builder.
A boat builder.
Yeah.
I haven't seen any evidence of that in this life.
Well, it's there. This thing was mortised out at the factory. It's supposed to be a perfect fit. It's not perfect. But I can make it perfect. Because I know what to do.
How long will it take you to make it perfect?
Not long. It would help if I had a sharp chisel. I know.
So you have a new set of chisels?
And a new set of chisels, never been opened.
And you don't know where they are?
And I don't know where they are. I could use one right now. Shit. This is the wrong size chisel. It's the wrong size chisel.
Story of your life, huh?
Where my chisels, my what?
No, I said that's the story of your life.
Oh, yeah. Okay, well.
Can you make that chisel do, baby?
It's too light, it's dull, but I'm gonna try to make it do. The factory should have done this right.
Uh-oh, here's my phone. It's probably a wrong number.